Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Signal app. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Signal app. Signal Private Messenger is a similar kind of app like WhatsApp and Telegram, and it is also a free app. So download it and open it right now. When you open the app for the first time, this is the interface you will see. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue again. Now allow all the necessary permissions. Now you have to type in your phone number. And then tap Next. Now tap OK. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. You have to type in that verification code here. Now you have to continue creating your account. Since I have already created an account, I will enter my PIN number and continue. This is the home screen of your app, and you will see all of your conversations here. You will see two buttons on bottom right corner. One is the blue pencil button and another one is camera button. Now tap on the blue pencil button. Now type in a number. And you will see all of your contacts here. You can create a group from here also. Now tap on a contact and let me show you how is the messaging experience on this app. Now I'll just type in a message. And then tap on the send button. Just like other messaging apps, you can also send photos. You can also send emojis by tapping on the emoji icon. And if you tap on the plus icon, you can add some more options. Now let's go back to the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the option to create a new group and invite your friends. Now tap on three dots on top right corner. And from here you can also create a new group. Mark all of your conversations as read. Invite your friends to use the Signal app and go to Settings. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on your name. And it will take you to your profile. From here you can change your name. And also your profile picture. Now tap on Appearance. You can change the theme. I'll select dark. Now tap on Chat Wallpaper and you can set wallpaper just like Viber. Now tap on Set Wallpaper and select any of the presets you like. You can also see a preview. If you tap on Choose from Photos, you can select wallpaper from your gallery. Now let's go back. Now tap on Language and select the language as you like. Now tap on Chats and you have some options here. You can also create a backup. You can also link your other devices. And that's how you can use the Signal app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.